Hey, this is Mike again. I just want to show you one of the little tricks that we do, a couple tricks that we do to, because we're craftsmen and we try to do things the best way possible. So this is a water heater pan. If the water heater ever leaks, it's going to go into this pan, and then there'll be a pipe that goes to the drain. Now these things are kind of cheap, and that's just the way it is, but a lot of times people don't seal these very well, so the water heater leaks and all the water just drips right out here, all over the carpet. So we actually use silicone and we seal it up real well so that no water can get out at this joint and ruin your floor. Another little trick that we use, if we set this water heater right in the pan, there's not going to be much room for the water in the pan if it ever leaks. So we like to set it up on bricks whenever possible so that there's actually some room in the pan for water if it ever leaks. Great.